Aviary makes seeds from Veltman company, and also Bird's Delight Finch Mix. If this company wants to sponsor us, you guys can contact directly to me. My name is Chris at Paradise Park Aviary, and you can directly message me if you guys want to sponsor that. I've been buying these seeds for many years already, and the birds, they're really enjoying it. And also, if this company wants to sponsor us, direct message me on Instagram or TikTok at Paradise Park Aviary. This is what we have: dry egg food, mealworms from 2 different companies. Here we are, Pacific Bird and Supply, and also Pennington Company, and also KT. We have a high calcium grid over here. Necessary things that the birds need. Okay, I'm going to take this into the aviary. Okay, I'm gonna set my camera down so you guys can see it.
Yeah.